Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the AfterShip app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. AfterShip is a package tracking app designed to help users monitor shipments from multiple carriers in one place. The app provides real-time tracking updates, estimated delivery dates, push notifications for status changes, and a comprehensive shipment history. Users can add tracking numbers from hundreds of supported carriers worldwide and get alerts for delays, customs updates, or completed deliveries. Its clean interface and accurate notifications make it reliable, though some premium features like SMS alerts or branded tracking may require subscription access. Overall, AfterShip is ideal for frequent shippers, e-commerce sellers, and buyers who want to stay updated on their packages. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the convenience of managing multiple shipments simultaneously, receiving timely notifications, and checking detailed package status without visiting carrier websites. Many also like the ability to share tracking information with others or integrate with e-commerce platforms for automated tracking. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some advanced features, like branded tracking pages and additional notifications, require a paid subscription. Occasional delays in tracking updates may occur depending on carrier reporting, and new users may need time to familiarize themselves with the interface. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the AfterShip app may be worth using if you frequently send or receive packages and want a centralized platform for tracking. It excels in convenience, carrier support, and real-time updates. However, if you rarely track shipments or don't need premium features, it might be more than you need. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.